Today we will be wrapping my K&N hot air intake for the Civic. Let's see if it makes any difference. Don't mind the cat. Start off by cleaning it with a degreaser. Let's see what works best. Hopefully it sticks on. This thermal blanket, it's adhesive. I don't know how I'm gonna wrap it, but I'll figure something out. So this is what I've come up with. It's a little bit more difficult than it looks or it explains. It's a bunch of patches everywhere, but made it work. Looks pretty fine. It's pretty much covered up completely. We'll see what's the difference in intake air temperatures. Hey guys, so this is what I came up with. Not my best work, but I'm sure it'll make a difference. I also have it on the heat shield all the way around. Behind, I'm not sure if you guys can see how the camera is. My exhaust manifold has the heat shield off of another vehicle, which I think will help a lot in terms of getting the exhaust manifold hot. Well, it's actually a header, a pseudo header, so that's keeping the intake air a little bit colder, and then plus this, it should do all right. I kind of got the piping on this. It comes off because of my oil catch can. I've had this thing for about, say, 5 months, maybe more. Still working fine. I vacuum tested it. It does not lose any vacuum at all. No leaks whatsoever. I swapped out the hose. I put transmission cooling line or transmission lines on it. They haven't gave out on me at all. Car's been running fine after the tune. No check engine light, anything like that. Next up is gonna be my TSX brake upgrade. Maybe lower it pretty soon. Thanks for watching.